Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to open an M1 Finance account. Start by visiting M1 Finance and clicking Sign Up, then choose the account type you need and enter your name, email, and a strong password. Next, provide your social security number, address, and employment details to verify identity. Finally, link your bank using routing and account numbers so you can fund your account and start investing with automated pies. Warm and friendly, I'll walk you through verification so you feel confident. After you submit your details, M1 will verify your identity and request a photo ID if needed. You can confirm your bank with micro deposits or instant verification to activate funding. While waiting, set up two-factor authentication for better security and review notification preferences so you get alerts about deposits and trades without surprise. I'll explain how to fund and build a portfolio in a clear, conversational way. Pick a one-time deposit or a recurring contribution schedule and confirm the transfer from your linked bank account. Browse M1's expert pies or create your own custom pie by assigning percentage slices to ETFs and stocks. Turn on fractional shares to use every dollar and enable automatic rebalancing to keep allocations on target without manual adjustments.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.